morning, student. Welcome to the class. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6, solid, liquid and gases. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Anything that has mass is called matter. Mass means how much something weighs. Dear children, weight and mass are two different things. Weight is caused by the gravitational force. So your weight on the moon is less because moon is having a less gravitational force than the earth. So your weight on the moon is less than here on earth. While the mass stays the same. Whatever the mass is on the earth, same mass is on the moon. So children, mass is the amount of matter or a substance that make up an object. It is measured in units called grams, kilograms and ton. Anything that occupies space is called matter. Your pen, pencil, duster, sponge, chalk, these all are matter because these all are occupying the space. So book, table, chair, water, air and oils are all matters. Matters are made up of tiny particles called molecules. The smallest unit into which a substance can be divided without changing its chemical nature is known as molecules. So, the molecule of different matters are of different kinds, giving them different qualities. Children, I can hold a cup, but this cup is filled with the water. When I want to hold the water in my hand, it is flowing down. Same as I can hold the incense sticks. I can hold it, but the flames which is coming from the incense sticks, I cannot hold them. They are moving away from my hand. So, the cup I can hold. The metal stand of this incense stick I can hold. I can hold the incense stick also in my hand. But the water and the flames which is coming from the incense sticks I cannot hold. The matter present in the cup, in the incense stick, in the flames, is a form of matter. Matter is made up of very small particles. The particles of different substance have different mass, shape and size. On the basis of their arrangement, matter are made up of solid, liquid and gas. So, matter is of three types: solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas are called the physical state of matter. Solid, liquid and gas are called the physical state of matter. The different form or state of matter exists because of the difference in the arrangement of particles. First, I am going to teach you solid. These are the molecules of solid. are arranged very close to each other. So there is no gap between them. There is no space between the particles. So the molecules cannot move around anywhere. That's why all the solid have a fixed shape and definite volume. So solids is having a fixed shape and definite volume. They don't flow, but some exceptionals are there. For example, sponge, it's squeeze and then it will become to their own place. Rubber band, when you stretch it up, it's change the shape, and again when you release it, it will come to their own shape. And you can take the example of clay. You are playing with the clay, you make different shape from the clay. So these are the exceptional cases. Their original shapes, once the force is removed, will be regained. Children, particles in the solids are like the children in the classroom. When the teacher is teaching in the classroom, all the children sit quietly. Children remain in their place. They do not move from one place to another. They are sitting on their own place, but they twist and bend. For taking out the books, they are bending themselves. From asking the eraser and pencil, they are twisting themselves. So they twist and bend, but they are not moving from one place to another. Same is happened in the solid also. Some particles of solids are, when we are applying the force, they are change the shape, but afterwards they will come back to their own shape. Thank you, student. In the next class, I am going to teach you about liquid and gas.